Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use cropping tools to make edits to your images in just a click. So begin by selecting the element that you want to crop. Then in this top toolbar, go ahead and choose the crop icon. This will open a menu on the right-hand side, and here you will see all of the different presets that we have for crop ratios. You can do a square, which is a 1:1, a story, a widescreen, landscape, or portrait. You can choose your desired shape by just selecting it, and the adjustment will be made to your image. Another option you have is coming down here and choosing this Browse Masking Shapes button, and a menu on the left-hand side will open up with even more options for shapes to crop your image. There's a lot of fun shapes and sizes here, so go ahead and play around till you find the one that you like. Once you found the element that you like, simply select it, and your image will now be cropped in the masking shape that you selected. When you're finished with your design, you can use this share button to share with people in your Simplified workspace or with an external email. You can use this export button to download straight to your device, or this publish on social button to publish directly to your social media accounts right from Simplified. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.